Hello guys, I'm making this video in order to answer a few questions about those sheaths. Like I said in my original thread, I think it was a great idea for a sheath. Whoever came up with it, kudos. Uh, this is a right hand sheath inside the waistband. This is a left hand sheath inside the waistband, and this is an open carry. From the beginning I had some questions about those sheaths, like will they work the same if you carry them in your backside, or will they work the same if you, instead of inside the waistband, you have them on your waistband, open carry? The same questions were asked by a few fellow forumites that I'm emailing and PMing, and I figured out, hey, why not make a video about it? Saying something is better than writing it. Plus, people can make fun of your accent instead of your spelling. These sheaths are all made for the Archangel cold steel, and the design, I think they call it breakfront. I think that was the name. I say it's a breakup or Jennifer Aniston design. Attempt at humor there. The questions are, like I said, how they will work if you carry them on your backside, and how they will work as an open carry. The belt clips are for a 1.5 inch leather belt. A leather belt is stiffer than a regular cloth cotton belt, and I think it should be better when you carry one of those to use a leather belt or some stiff plastic belt. It will work better. Right now I'm wearing a cotton belt. It's easier to put the sheaths on and off, and that's how I'm gonna demonstrate them. Okay, let's try to answer those questions. Oh, by the way, there's two folds on the clip. One goes over the trousers and the other under the belt. Okay, that's the intended draw. Right hand. Now, some of you who already got the sheaths maybe play around with them and get this. I would not recommend it. In a stressful situation, you may, kind of hurt yourselves. That was not how it was intended to use. It was intended to use in the ice pick form. Now the same sheath in the back. I already have a Benchmade 42 wearing in the back. Would be easier instead of fiddling around with this. The knife comes up a little bit. I don't know, a leather belt maybe would have been better. And here it is. I think any movement in the back will be a lot slower than if it's on the front. Forehand grip is pretty easy, smooth. Like I said, slower. Now, for the ice pick, I would not recommend it either, because if you miss the swing, you don't have enough room to recover. Your range of motion is pretty much hindered. If you try to do the motion to recover, you may end up stabbing your own arse. So that's how it works. Again, so this is a right hand model. So when you have it on your back, instead of putting it on your left side to do a cross draw, you have it on your right side. It's always better for the handle to be as close to your center line, back side or front side. The closest to the center line, the better the draw will be. Plus, it's if you write it right on top of your spine, it's very hard to recover the knife because of the pressure. Same thing goes for the front. The closer the handle, the end of the handle is on your center line, the better. Again, forehand grip. Now you can have the safe handle up, or you can have the bite handle up. Bite handle will give you the, I think they call it the saber grip, whereas the edge of the blade is coming up. Ice pick. Again, I will not recommend the ice pick doing it on your back side. Okay. Now the open carry. I have a small frame, so I always had problems with a horizontal carry, because the knife usually sticks like a sore thing, you know, no matter what you do. So I made the clip around the whole length of the sheath in hopes that it will keep the knife closer to the body. The only time is I find that a knife stays flat is when the handles are right on top of my belt. I kind of don't like that. But what are you gonna do? Okay, archangel. Okay, this is the same one, outside like inside. I guess you could call this a left-hand model. You do the ice pick draw with your left hand, but what I like is you can use your right hand for the foregrip, so it gives you two different ways to draw your knife. That's kind of what I was trying to find when I started doing the BALISOng sheaths. This guy had already the 2/3 of what I was looking for. The clip was what was giving me the trouble. I was looking for something that would be horizontal and vertical, and that's where I got stuck. Now, can you do the same on the other side? Yeah, you pretty much can. Problem with this, you put it on the other side is that it's a bit of a struggle there. Okay, that's how it looks. Now there's a problem when you do the foregrip draw. Your left hand, actually the position of your left hand. In a stress situation, you don't know where your left hand is going to be and you may end up hitting yourself. So I would not recommend, if you want to do both foregrip and ice pick recoveries, I would not recommend putting it on this side. You can still